Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to the channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tip. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so you'll receive all the notification about the new videos and also the community tab updates also. The small updates I will provide on my community tab. And today we are going to discuss about Texmo Pipe. Actually, the new rally is going to be happen. I was updated yesterday. So we will discuss about that. So before that, please don't forget to refer to the membership options. There are 3 types of memberships. And all the new multi-bagger stock recommendations and also the short time recommendations are only for the members, and usually I will provide only the fundamental stock in my channel. All the stock recommended through this channel will be the fundamentally very strong. So let us go into the video. Currently we are in the BSE website in the Texmo Pipe. Today we can see here that almost 7,520 shares are traded today in the market in the BSE. Out of that, 67% taken delivery. Even in my yesterday's video also I told that in the last trading session the volume was very less because the supply is very less. The people are not selling it. That means it denotes that the rally is going to be happen because the last result was very good. And also in my yesterday's video also I told that the company's next result will be an amazing result because already they have intimated to the exchange 3 weeks before that they received 121.59 crore HDPE material order from the single client. So that will make a huge impact while we are seeing their quarterly result of 128 crore because already they received the order from additional order than this one. So their quarterly result will be almost 2 times on the next quarter. So there will be a huge potential rally we can expect within 2 or 3 months. So as you was seeing, already we booked the profit in Texmo Pipe. I was recommended at around 28 level, so you can watch all those videos, and also I was given the fundamental analysis everything during my last videos, so you can watch those videos. It's a potential multi-bagger and also it's a wealth creator. So if you watch those videos you can understand that maybe if you are using the hoses, the PVC hoses in your house, the flexible hose, the green color one, just look at the brand, which brand it is. You can see their Texmo Pipe. Usually we will not be noticed. Usually in our garden we will be using 1/2 inch and 1 inch pipes, the green color one with the white color round. We can see that will be Texmo Pipe. Just look at the brand tomorrow, so you can understand the value of the company. It is well known company and also it's having a huge supply chain. That's the reason it's available even in the village also, because we doesn't know usually the people, those who are buying, they will not look at the brand, they will look at the price only. So we will buy the material and we will use it, but never we will think about the brand, because if you are seeing that will be Texmo Pipe. So if you are holding Texmo Pipe, just look at the brand what you are using in your house, so you can understand the value of Texmo Pipe. The same way I told you in Signet Industries also, that will be also another multi-bagger and also wealth creator, so you can watch those videos also. And while we are coming back to the Texmo Pipe, you can see here in current trading in NSE, while we are seeing here it was traded at 47.25 today in NSE, and it was traded negative because as you know that entire index was traded negative today, but still the market was positive because already it was the NSE, the Nifty was crossed 17,000 and it got sustained at 17,000 plus. So that is a good news. So it will cross almost 17,500 on coming days, and also the Sensex we can expect around 60,000 at this current rally. And surely, as I told in my previous videos, so there will be a shuffle after this. So we have to maintain the stock potential, we have to invest in the potential stock, because the Sensex and Nifty will be traded around 3 to 4 times in another 7 to 8 years. So we will be get benefited if you are invested only in the potential stock. So the good example is JSW Ispat and also Texmo Pipes, Signet Industries and all this kind of stock. Usually you will think that okay, the large cap stock, because if you see in my community post already I was updated that even if you see Ashok Leyland was traded at the price of 10, maybe you cannot imagine that maybe 10 years 15 years before Ashok Leyland was traded at the price of 10, and today where it is trade. And while we are looking into the Asian Paints, how it was trading. It was traded even 100. Now it's trading where it is trading. And Affle India, just look at the price, current price, and also 5 to 6 years before. And also SRF Limited, what was the price before? This is the thing. Actually, today if you are making an investment, it should be invested in a potential stock that could be a multi-bagger in the coming years, that will be a blue chip stock on the coming years. So if you are going to buy a land, you have to buy the land where the development is going to be happen. If you are investing that in a developed area, surely the land appreciation value will be very less there. So you have to think about land appreciation value. So why I am explaining means, so we have to be invested very selectively, then only we can get the maximum effect, the maximum gain of the index rally on coming years. So we have to be forecasted, we have to be selective, and also the entry and exit levels are very important in Indian stock market. So let us coming back to the Texmo Pipe, and while we are seeing the last trading section, that means today almost 81,500 shares are traded. Out of that 68% taken delivery. Even in BSE also I told the same thing, almost 67% taken delivery was there and there was no supply. That's the reason only 81,000 shares are getting traded. There is no supply and they are keep on accumulating the shares. As I told you, there will be a rally in Texmo Pipe on coming days. So you can see here that there was a lengthy consolidation was happen as of here. So from here onwards the rally will be happen. So the current rally will take somewhere around 70 level, 70-75 level we can expect, as I told in my previous video. And it's a potential multi-bagger and also it's a wealth creator, as I told you. So please try to hold Texmo Pipe in your portfolio if you are not holding, and if you are holding Texmo Pipe, please try to add it. This is the right time to add. If you didn't subscribe to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also please don't forget to press the bell icon so you'll receive all the notification while I am posting my new videos. And please don't forget to refer to the membership options. Once you press on the join button, you can see all the details about the membership plan. So all the multi-bagger recommendations and also the short time stock recommendations will be available to the members, and there are 3 types of memberships, so you can refer to that. And you can see here that stock number 13, the last few weeks back I was updated the short time stock that was hit almost 21.61% as of now, and it's an excellent stock. Still the strong rally is ongoing. And once again, thank you very much for watching this video and subscribing to my channel. So thank you very much.